So one of the things I now talked about ketosis, or the principle of burning fat in your body. And one of the things I came into was actually, how does fat leave our body? Because maybe like many of you, I assumed it just left us through how carbs leaves us, through bowel movement. But looking into it, and there's some interesting videos on the internet, on YouTube about this, it's actually quite interesting. Because what happens, without going into too much of the scientific or molecule setup, so if fat is something called 56 carbonites, 112 hydrogens, and then maybe 8 oxygen. That is a fat molecule if you look at it. And if you want to break it down, you need two things. You need a bit of heat and you need oxygen. So when you think about it, it makes sense that when we do exercise, we breathe in a lot of air and we get warm in the body, which allows the body to be easier for it to break it down. So what does it break it down to? Well, it breaks it down to two different components. One is H2O, better known as water. For the best of what I know, we don't actually kind of know how that water, whether it's the water that leaves us through sweat, urine, crying, whatever it might be. But the other part, and the bigger part, is CO2, meaning we breathe out fat. And when you look at it in molecular weight terms, it's about 85% of the weight of fat is breathed out and 15% of it is turned into water. So that's why breathing is really, really important. And it's also why when you're fasting, it's really important that you actually stay active. Normal recommendation is that you do 1 to 2 hours of brisk walking every day, because otherwise the ketosis process can't keep going. And I've experienced some people who have been on the internet and they have complained that by somewhere between 10 and 14 they start to get really dizzy, they really start to struggle and they have to break the fast, and they don't understand why. My own homemade theory, this is the reason why, is because they think they're fasting and therefore they think they have to be really still, they have to save energy. But this is not, my experience. My lived experience is go out, go for a brisk walk 1 or 2 hours every single day, and your ketosis will stay really high because the body is able to burn the resources that is fat.